MGP filed a petition for disqualification against Sopte and Shirodkar. This has been dismissed. And all of a sudden, these two gentlemen have said that our stand is vindicated. We got justice. That's what they said. But what has happened is far from what they claim. Issue there was basically who could file a petition of this nature. Disqualification. MGP could not file it. That is how the High Court deciphers the whole issue. Now, therefore, the question to BJP, to MGP is: your major partner, the BJP, robbed away 2 MLAs from Congress, made them resign, and it is your allegation now, MGP's allegation, that BJP resorted to unfair practices. Now, therefore, if your major partner resorts to such unfair practices, why do you want to continue with such a partner? MGP's or the leaders' credibility, therefore, is at stake. And my unsolicited advice to them would be: it would be better if you get out earlier than any, forget giving those dates which they have been giving us in the past. Immediately, at the earliest. Our minds, dependents, spent 3 days there. 2 days at Ram Leela Maidan, 1 day at Jantar Mantar. And nobody came forward to comfort them or to understand their difficulties. The MPs did go there, 3 MPs of Goa, but they could not give any satisfactory promise to them. I on my own took up the issue with all major parties there in the parliament, including NCP's Mr. Sharad Pawar, BJP leaders, Subramaniam Swamy, Arun Jaitley, whomever I could meet, and urged that this mining thing be solved at the